Hey, let me show you 11 tips and tricks for your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. And what is really interesting then that some of the features are not available right here. You will have to actually get the Samsung Health application to get it work. So first of all, if your watch is working slowly and if there is some kind of the frozen moments of your watch, you can actually check the storage and free up RAM. Yeah, in this watch, when you go into the battery and the device care, you can quickly close all background apps. Just wait for the checking. And here we can free up everything that's actually open in the background by just clicking on one button. So it will definitely speed up your watch. You can actually find one by one how the watch closes every application. And also you can check the available storage. You can manage the images, audio, apps and the watch faces. So if your device slows down, try to remove something from your watch. Next, if you don't like to clean your screen all the time, like in my case, because it actually, we can find here a lot of fingerprints and the greasy marks, you can use this feature. Take a look, the touch bezel. You can scroll down and up right here by touching only your bezel, and you can find this function by, it should be somewhere here. Let's input touch. There we go. And here we can just turn it on, so we can swipe around the screen to swipe up and swipe down. And next, if you often use the messages right here, if you answer messages a lot, it's really hard to actually type on this small keyboard that is available right here. Let's go into the messages application. Yeah, it's right here. So if you don't like to use the keyboard, I will actually highly recommend you to click on the chat. And if you actually start the chat, there we go. You can start it, and now we can answer by clicking here with your voice messages. So you can tap here, and now you can record some messages. You can speak now, it will be detected, and it will be appears as a text. So you can click here, there we go, and it will be sent. And next, we've got also this swim protection. So if you often go swimming, you can turn on the water lock mode when you go into the advanced features. Here it is, so you can just tap on it, and now you will be not able to use any features of your watch because the screen is not responsive right now. So we can turn it off by clicking here, and it will also automatically eject water from your watch. You can hear that sound, it comes from the speaker. Next, if you often use the specific application on your watch, you can quickly set the shortcut for the home button, and when you double tap, you can simply get it here. So to find this, you will have to go into the settings, then go for the advanced features. Now you will have to go for the customize buttons, and here we can find the shortcut for the double press and the press and hold on the home button, and on the back button you got short press, and you can also change it. In this watch you can also find the bunch of the gestures. Yeah, gestures, so you can actually bend your wrist in some direction to get it work, and it will be available. Let me just input here the gesture phrase, so it will be easier to navigate. Yeah, in the advanced features, and here we can find all of them. So we can answer calls, dismiss alerts and calls, and also we get the quick launch. So that's how looks the answer calls gesture with a short description. Dismiss alerts, there we go, and the last one, it will be quick launch. So we can select an option, specific function, or even application. Next, what is really useful that you can actually use navigation on this watch, because right here we can find location. Let me just show you. When you go into the settings, you will be able to find location. Not right here, we have to just scroll down. It's just right here. So there we got location, and also we can download here Google Maps. So we can just turn it on, input your destination, and you can easily navigate only by using your watch. During the sleep, you can check more data than only your sleep data. So what I mean, when you go into these settings and now open health functions, you can go into the sleep and you can measure the blood oxygen during the sleep, and also you can measure the snore detection. But this function will be available only if you actually enable if you install Samsung Health application on your phone. So right here you can detect snoring always, detect once, and even you can record audio. So after this you will be able to listen to your snoring sounds in the Samsung Health application. Now also right here you can upload this music into your watch. By going into the manage content, you can actually move some tracks on the watch. And what is also really useful, that you can connect here your Bluetooth headphones, so we can listen to your tracks straight from your watch and using your Bluetooth device. In my case, I was actually connected with my Sony headphones. And also you can connect into the Wi-Fi network, because right here I've got only the Wi-Fi version. There will be also released the LTE version. Currently it's actually not available. But you can actually stay connected with all of your emails. Thanks to the Google Play Store, you can download the Gmail application. So in my case, it will be available, or maybe it's not available. I just didn't download it. Yeah, I just forget to download it. But when you go into the Play Store, click on the search and input the Gmail phrase. There we go. You can go for the search. You can find it, install, and answer mails from your watch. And the last function that is really useful, that you can just pay with this device thanks to the Google Play Store, so we can actually download the Google Wallet, and also you can find here the NFC. So yeah, this is it for this video, the best tips and tricks of the Galaxy Watch FE. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.